Hello and welcome back to another lesson. In this one we are going to be probably having the most amount of fun that you can possibly have with a reverb pedal, and I don't think I'm overstating that because it's not difficult to play and you chuck a load of reverb on it and you are in a happy place. I'm of course talking about us learning Brian Eno's and ending Ascent in brackets. It's such a lovely piece of music, but translates brilliantly to the guitar I think, and it's superb for playing with reverb, so let's learn it. You don't need a plectrum for this. Oh no, you can if you want, but I would encourage you to just use your fingers. Tone wise, I'm going to go with neck pickup. So this is my clean sound. Sounds alright, but I'm going to boost it using the Catalinbread Epochboost. So before, after. Adds that little special something, right? It's just a bit more of everything. And we're also using the Cloak, again from Catalinbread. They do make some nice pedals. And I did a demo for this one recently, and this was in it, and a few of you wanted a lesson for this, which is good because I was planning on doing one anyway, so hopefully this will make you happy. And it sounds like this. Now the interval that we're using, if you care about such a thing, is a third, but an octave above, right? So if you imagine I was playing that sort of shape. Right, so that's what we're going for. And as I say, I'm using my first and my little finger. So you're going to do 15th fret, 10th fret, and then switch it around and play 17, 15. Move the shape down 2 frets, back to that second chord, and then I'm doing 7, 10. Again, you could play that there, right, 12th and 14th fret. But I like how it sounds that way. So that's the first part. The second part is this, and it sounds insanely good. Let's be honest, that is why you are here. So good, isn't it? So we're going to go 15, 10, 17. So that's the same as the first part. But you'll notice I switched my fingering around so that I could also play the 14th fret with my first finger. If that's too tricky, just play that, take them off and press that. But I just like them ringing out into each other, right? For when you go to the next chord. So, that first part. Leave your first finger there, put your second finger on the 15th fret on the A. And I use my second and my third finger to play the 15th fret on the 6th and 1st string. Slide your first finger down 1 fret on the E string, and then you're going to play the 12th fret on the D. And that's it, one more time. So good. Then the other part, if you want to chuck it in, is just this. And then back around. So good. So all I'm doing there is 10th and 12th fret. Take your first finger and drop that down 1 string. Little finger on the 12th fret on the B. Third finger moves down 1 string. And here you could play this. Just 10, 12, 10. But if you wanted to use your first and third fingers there, and have your second finger come over the top, you can do the root note again if you like. So that would be... Okay, so you're going to be playing... Then back around the first part. Like that. And you can also noodle around before you go into that part from this. You could do some of that, right? I hope this gives you as much fun as it gave me, because honestly, I just can't stop playing it. So anyway, go and play. See you soon. Bye-bye.